We're going shopping?
Yep. With Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. No tow truck. Tow truck's at the shop.
With Yoda.
With Yoda.
I'm going to make the video
Yeah,
so
man.
long.
I got salt on my hands.
Hi, Mommy did it.
I did it. I know I did.
You did?
When I was loading the truck. So, we ready?
Ready?
Everybody ready?
Yep. Melissa's like, hi. Let's say hi, YouTube.
I don't have my mount. Usually I got my mount so that I can
Your mountain?
mount it.
Huh?
I need to get a mount for the truck. Because I could stick it right here.
Yeah.
And we could do videos while we're driving.
Oh, that would be so cool.
What? What, baby? So the cleaning lady is cleaning. Salt off the door.
Oh, so it's salt. So whose fault is that?
We already told YouTube whose fault.
Oh, yeah, you were. Oh, okay. You didn't tell your wife, did you? You tried to blame me for it. What's all over my door? I have no idea. Oh, okay.
This is so funny.
Get up in a crevice, all
It
right.
now usually happens.
Where were you? Let's see what.
It's
What
in a
else did I
video.
miss? Did I miss right there?
No!
Right there?
No! No!
Hey, woman, do your job.
Hey. Yeah.
Hey, look, it's all nice and clean now.
I knew it. Okay, say bye to YouTube and drive.
I ain't got my mount.
No, you got
hold it.
You can hold it?
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube. We got our phone holder.
Me.
Yeah.
Becca wants to say hi.
Okay, you gotta hit the button.
I'm the
Okay.
phone holder. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Alice, say hi. And say hi to the mom that cleans a lot of
Cleans
stuff.
everything.
Yeah.
Okay, Brandon, swap it. Here we go. Where we going, Brandon?
Walmart? No, gas station.
Gas station.
Yep, we gotta put fuel on this. Gas goes on, huh?
Let's go fast.
Should we do turbo power?
Yeah, turbo.
Turbo power?
Yes. Look at the fast. 60 miles an hour. No, 80.
75. We gotta slow down. It's a little wet out.
It's yellow.
Right.
Oh, no.
Where are you going?
Where are we going? I thought we were going that way.
No, we're going to Shell and then Walmart. 9th Street Walmart.
Everyone say hi to you. Say everyone in the car say hi to YouTube. Hi.
Hey, Brandon?
Ready?
And you wonder why we need gas in this thing.
Make it go faster. We. Just see every time you do this. It's so fun.
Yeah, so I only drive this thing once a week.
Whose fault is that?
It's my fault I'm a tow truck driver.
It's your fault you gave me keys to your truck.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna turn this off to decon mode. Turn it on sport mode. Loosen the suspension.
Now go fast.
How can we go fast when there's like 5 cars ahead of us?
I don't know.
Sport mode is for when you're climbing rocks and climbing dirt hills. And
I'm going downhill.
we're going down that hill.
Ah!
It loosens the suspension.
Hey, Bennett! Bennett! I just see what?
So we're going to the Shell station.
Yeah.